Now, 3 months after CONCACAF recommended that one of the local governing bodies be dismantled, a word has come that the Professional Football Association of Jamaica, PFAJ, has been dissolved. The Jamaica Football Federation, the JFF, in a release today announced that in consultation with the Premier League Clubs Association, PLCA, an agreement had been reached to dissolve the PFAJ. The PFAJ was established in 2008 as a joint venture between the JFF and the PLCA to administer the running and operations of the National Premier League. The JFF says in coming to a mutual agreement, the two bodies had concluded that the original objective for the establishment of the PFAJ could now best be achieved without a third body. Football's local governing body said both entities will continue to meet to finalize the roles of the two entities going forward. It said on conclusion of these discussions, all stakeholders will be advised accordingly. In February, TVJ Sports reported that CONCACAF had said local football doesn't need three bodies under which to operate and recommended the dissolution of one of the affiliates. Former national striker Tashana Vincent will be at the FIFA Women's World Cup as a FIFA legend for her achievements with the Reggae Girls. Vincent, who made her debut for the Reggae Girls at just 14 years old, would go on to be one of the most prolific international strikers in Jamaica's history, averaging a goal per game. The 2007 Caribbean Women's Player of the Year spoke to FIFA TV about the challenges she faced entering the sport and the support she received from her family.
Oh, football is not for girls, because people in the Jamaican population who said, oh no, football is a male sport, football is this, football is for that. And I was like, well, I like it, I'm going to play it. And then the Reggae Boys qualified for the World Cup. I can play a lot of sports, basketball, cricket, you name it, I can play it, but my passion was football and track and field. Football was my safe haven. I felt so safe playing it, and when you have family that supports you, I mean, that's like none other. There is no feeling to explain the type of gratitude that you feel towards people who just know who you are, accept you for who you are, and push you to be who you are. I grew up in a single-parent home. My mother and my grandmother, God rest her soul, Dita Grant. Those females are the ones who grew me, and they always encouraged me to do my best in whatever. When I went to them about football, they were like, you sure that's what you want to do? I said, yes. And my mother's answer is, if you think that's what's good for you, I will support you. Go at it, but you have to promise me that you're giving 100%. That's all a person can ask from a mother. And I love my mother dearly for pushing me to greatness, because some of the experience I've had, if I didn't have her support, it wouldn't have happened, because I would have given up.